Okay, I think we're good this time. So, we're back. And today's an unboxing video. I'm excited to bring you guys the SYC sandals. So, in case you guys don't know, I recently partnered with AliveShoes, and we made a pair of SYC shoes, the gold and blue ones, and I put those on the screen for you guys, but that's not what we got in today. What we got today are the SYC sandals. So, let's find where the openings are at. Just had to get a knife because I don't kind of know. Ooh. Yeah, y'all see what it is. Y'all see this. That's just the first layer. I'm just playing. This feels, hey yo, the quality on this box, yeah, that's what we like. This is what we wanted to see. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. I want to show y'all the Semaj Yeckam. If you could see that. Yeah. It's not gonna focus. I have to manual focus everything on that camera. So yeah, SYC shoes. You see it right there by James Mackey. Well, really these shoes are by Semaj Yeckam. But, same person. Shoe. You see that? See that? See that? Ooh. Oh, what's that? Okay. That's just a magnet. Whew. Alright. Move it up for you guys. Here it goes. And they come in an extra little made in Italy little bag. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is hard. I'll just put this back in there. The magnet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this box is hard. Shoes is hard. Sheesh. In real life, bruh, these look crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all see that glisten on that gold? Gee. What the? Hey, that's what I see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these is hard. These are super hard. Oh yeah. Yeah. I gotta see if these gonna fit though, cause they were saying they run either small or they run big. So um, I gotta check that out. I will just, you know, just bask in those for a little bit. That looks nice. That looks real nice. Oh. Sheesh. That's pretty. That's nice. I'm just positioning them. I don't know. You never know. These could be thumbnail pictures or whatever. Anyway, y'all see them. With the SY shorts. They are a little big. But I was expecting that. Definitely was expecting that. But they look hard at the same time. They actually really look like some anime shoes, for real, for real. But they go nice with the shorts. Definitely SY. SY all the way up, you feel me? This is hard. Yeah, I mess with it. I like them. I like them. I do. I'm just seeing them from all angles. Oh, can I slide in these? Oh, we've been jerking back in the sandals. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These is hard. Oh yeah. Official SY. What they mean? What they talking about? What they? Yeah. Alright, y'all. It's your boy SY here again. Once again, another video. Oh, hey, what?